Another node that you can create a simple and fast mountain structure is a multi-fractal. The multi-fractal is a multi noise that can combine into each other and create such distinct trains. Okay, don't bothering yourself with all of these names and settings. They're just for changing this noise. Change them, try them, experiment them to see what happened in your 3D. But here we have a noise type, FBM, or lots of other names. They are just changing the noise of them. For example, landscape size. As you can see, you can change the noise size. Or other setting, feature size. Roughness is for smoothing and make the increase or decrease the roughness of the landscape. It's very simple. You can change the seed, change the noise, random of them. And here you can variation type. With this variation, we have the variation settings, smoothness. For better understanding these trains are changing based on the 2D. Activate the 2D, then raw, and then enhance. And as you can see, based on this height map, that the white area are the most height and the black area are the zero height, you can see the, for example, auto octaves. If you turn it off, you can change the octaves here. As you can see, the octaves actually bring more noise to your as you can see, it's make it softer or more rough. You can auto octaves automatically with the changing the settings, automatically change the amount of the noise. And as you can see, change the large scene. As we have, as you can see, we don't have any other color here. For example, black. The black and white color in the scene means more bump. Picture size. You can see the 2D, it's affected 3D. Roughness, as you can see, it's making it smoother or more contrast. Change the scenes, variation. You can see in the variation, we have more black area. It means we have more zero height area. Smoothness, it's like this. You can see it in a 2D better. Contrast, right click, reset, right click, reset. It makes the more contrast between the zero hard black or the white part. So we have more sharp slope. Damping, let's make it smoother. Bias, and another method for that, yeah, you can see better. Nice. Another interesting part is warp. The warp is make more unique wave, and it looks like a wave blowing from the parts. Simple, nice. As you can see, this is warp. For example, we connect all of these noises and the wind and blowing from somewhere. So simple. You can relative warp size. You can change the size, and this affects 3D warp strings. Another method, more complex warp, and that's it. You can see the effects in a 2D to better understand in a 3D. Yeah, iterate. Anywhere in the software, if you see the iteration, means multiplier of that effect or that comment. Nice. Well, you can see the settings here. Change them to understand them. So this is multifractal node. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.